Hello everyone, this is the Traveling with Hubert channel again. In this video, Kathy and I bring you our visit to Louvale, Georgia, which is an unincorporated community in Stewart County. There's not a whole lot there, but they do have something very, very interesting. They have what they call Church Row. There are 3 churches and an old school building all in a row. They're all somewhat connected. The old school is now a community center. The last students were there in 1942. It's now the home for a Sacred Harp Association music event. Sacred Harp music is a way of singing a cappella where the notes are represented by shapes, which makes it easier for the singers to recognize the notes. But we hope you enjoy this little short video. If you do, we ask that you give us a thumbs up. If you've subscribed to our channel already, we thank you. Give you a big thank you. We appreciate you very, very much. If you haven't subscribed yet or so inclined, we ask you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. We post a new video each Sunday morning, or at least that's our intentions. We ask that if you have comments, leave them down in the comment section in the video description, below the video description. Share this video with someone you know that might enjoy traveling videos and videos like this, where we go to places that were once thriving but aren't doing so well anymore. And Kathy and I wish you have a very, very blessed day.
There's a little street over back up there you could turn on to go around.
I didn't see one on the map.
I thought I saw, oh you didn't? Some kind of brick house back over in there somewhere, but anyway.
We'll see.
I didn't know.
But this is Louvale, Louvale. There's not much here, but we'll show them what there is.
Children that play.
Yeah, slow children at that. There is a road that goes to the right, but it's a dead-end road, honey.
Must be a lot of people back there. There's so many vehicles.
Yes. This vacant lot and this abandoned building and this building that looked like it may have been a general store with living quarters attached to it are on the left. These other things are on the right.
It's a dead end.
Yeah. It says
That used to be a barbecue place in Antiques. I wonder if it's open.
Didn't seem to be. There was someone cutting the grass here, and he waved at us.
He's waving.
Yeah, I saw that, honey. He's busy, though. He's cutting grass. Or riding over it with a lawnmower, anyway.
You see that house over there?
Yes, but you have to go down that little driveway there, honey. Yeah. But then there's something interesting up here.
They got 2 churches in this place, or 3. Was that
that's
a school?
one. It says a school.
Used to be a school, didn't it?
Yeah, let's see what it says. Surely they don't mind us taking a look. Louvale Church Road.
That says Antioch Institute. What is that saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop, honey.
Really discovered?
Yes, what you really discovered. What did you discover?
Did you just ask me that? Or is
I did.
Well, I discovered that, you see that spigot coming up out of the ground over there?
Yeah.
I discovered it has no water because I turned it on and it didn't come out. I wanted to wash my hands, so I guess that's no longer